Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix that loose handle like this. When you go, usually you go to the store and they're like, hey, change out the whole cartridge, or change the different handle, and you might like the handle you have set up. So I'm going to show you my fix to this, to where my cartridge is new. This handle and this whole assembly is supposed to be for this, but for some reason it's still not right. So I'll show you what I did to fix it, and maybe it'll help you guys. So so on mine, because everybody has different handles, so mine has a little set screw underneath here. So I'm going to loosen up this set screw, or take it out, and then I'll show you behind the scenes what's going on here. In this case, it's a little Allen screw. Loosen it up. There you go, and that's that. And that's just a little, that's the one that came with it, but probably yours might be different. So, but that's what that one is. Put that to the side. Then you got this one, which even if you tighten this up, it still wants to have a little bit of looseness here. So I'm going to take the screwdriver, take this off. Initially when I put this on, I wasn't sure what to do with it, so I left it on for a little while longer until I came up with a solution. And I thought, well, if a plumber was out on a job, what would he actually have in his arsenal of stuff, or his toolkit, that would be able to remedy something like this? So you see how this is, like notched here, so it's not perfectly round. So this, on mine, looks like it would be the right size, but when I stick it on there, it's kind of wobbly. So I said, okay, let me just come up with another solution and see if it works. And it actually did. So I'm going to show you what it is. Teflon tape. So here's the Teflon tape. So here what I'm going to do, wrap this around. And depending on your situation, and you might have to do a few wraps, a couple wraps. You're just basically, I guess you could use putty and stuff, but it's messy. This is actually a lot cleaner. So I'm going to wrap it a few times, beef it up. It's something you already have on hand. You don't have to go and grab something new. This actually is worked on my other handle in my other bathroom. So I thought I would just show you on this one. So just a few times. Let's see. Now we're going to take that. Now that we got that on there, I'm going to stick that in there and press. Stiffen it up. Take that screw. On this particular one, you'll have a different one, or unless you got the same handle. Okay, nice and snug. Nice and tight. So you see this is nice and tight there. This one actually has, let me just point it out. So this one actually has a hole in the bottom that's threaded. So that's what I'm trying to basically put that piece where it goes like this. And goes like that. And it actually locks it together there. And that's what I'm trying to do. Like I said, yours might be different. Probably it would be different. So many different handles and stuff, but this is just a video to show you how I locked or made it tighter. So there we go. Try not to cross thread. It'll stay loose until you tighten that little set screw up. And there you go. That's how you do it. Not solid. Well, you know these. But it's solid. That's where we want it, where it turns on and off like it is. All right, hopefully that helped. So just use Teflon, put it on the cartridge end, and then stick your fitting on there, tighten that down, and then put your handle on, tighten that down, and it should at least improve, if not take care of that problem. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. I can bring you some more tips. There you go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.